Hello, so it's been a while since I last did a video, and that's because Windows updated, forced update, which also forced update the webcam software I was using, which now has completely different settings where I can't get the macro picture as close as I need to paint things on. So I've been in a bit of a limbo of how I proceed making videos, where I either need to get a new webcam or a camera, and then pretty much start fresh and learning how to do things, so that's quite annoying. And that stopped me being able to make videos for the moment. I think it's been about a month since I uploaded my last one, so I didn't want to leave the channel dead. I wanted to actually put an update here and say what's going on. So I'm looking at what to do that way, but I'm also not sure which direction I want to take the content in. I like doing the newbie tutorials, but a lot of them they've already been done and done to death, where every channel is making the same rough tutorials. It's like how to paint an orc, how to paint a goblin, how to do your basic basing, which it isn't very interesting to just make the same video for people over and over again when they've got 10 options to do the same thing. So I'm looking at sort of which direction I want to take things in, and I think I want to go for diorama direction, but they take much longer to make videos of. So I'm not quite sure where I'm going with that, but that's kind of state of the channel right now, and sorry there hasn't been uploads. There's not much I can do about it until I figure out the new software, which I don't know why a newer version of the software will lack features the old one had, where now it can't zoom in as close as it could before, and it can't get the macro focus quite the same. So that's nice. So thanks Logitech for that one. You screwed up everything. Well done. Let me screw things up, not you, please, Logitech. Works better that way. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll see you soon.